Yes, it is what it is. On this day, the 14th day of October 2024, you need to count your blessings. Keta afọ just na-egwuchalụ Chineke nya Chukwu okike abịa ma na-asịgodi ya papa daalụ for making it possible for you to see this beautiful day. Maka onwe kali Chineke yotago, and we need to give him all glory, all honor, all adoration for making it possible for us to see this beautiful day. Ọ bụrụ na ịka dị na bed kịta afọ just iletegodo ndị obi akpọ na-achụgharị gị on a very good day, nke a bụrụ motivation dịrị gị ka ịmalite kịta afọ ma na time erugo mgbe anyị ga-eji wee mapụ je malụ ka o si adịgodo n'ụtụtụ a yotago. Today being Monday, it's about time n'ebe ọ na-adị 103.5 FM and nkịta afọ otu aka isi amapụta na birthday splash n'ebe ọ na-adị 103.5 FM. Ọkwa mmụọ nwa ka a na-akpọ metal. Akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, ya maliteze kịta afọ a na ọ bụrụ na ịfụrọ ife ya eji wee kene Chineke, at least kenegodi ya maka frenemies, kene ya maka ndị obi akpọ on a very good day, ndị ọ lewalụ, because they are your motivation. I'm talking about the haters now, basically they are your motivation. Ilote na onwelu ka o si wee dịkwa na onwe ndị na-achọrọ ka ị gafee mmiri a, onwere ndị na-achọrọ onye a, onwe ndị nọ na-asị onye a no way, you are not going anywhere ahead with that. Well, I will mail your motivation that you must get it right. You have to go. Yes, it's about time. Nebon at the 103.5 FM, and this time called Big the Splash. Nebon at the 103.5 FM. This is when we get to celebrate the people who are celebrating around us this morning. Kedi celebrate the birthday. Kedi for there's something. Or chieftaincy title called Jika Awal. Whatever it is, we are here to celebrate with you. So you know what it is, you know how it goes down. All you have to do is just hit us up, send SMS or WhatsApp messages with name and number of the person you want to celebrate. And it is celebration galore up in here. Yatago! Akụkọ otikpoju. Onwe nwoke na-eti mkpu yotago na-alachapụ mkpu na-asị ka ọ gwakwa ọhaneze na any woman wey go fit single-handedly yotago kill a goat uchegide ya na ngịnị ya nọdụ uchegide ya ọfụma. Ọ sị na ọ bụ na nwaanyị n'isi onwe ya nwere ike ichenji ọkụ nepa from nepa to generator without yotago ọkụ blink or anything TV yotago whichever one na ke mmalụ na mmata adịkwa. Matthias, is unfolding right about Ketafo. We have a lot of things to talk about. We have a lot of people to celebrate. We will spot them pioneerism in the process. You have to go. Yes, the first person I get celebrated this morning, we're Dwight D.S. Howard. He is an American general and a politician. He is the 34th president of the United States of America. He was in office from 1953 to 1961. A year ago. So we celebrate him this morning. He was born October 14th, 1890. It is posthumous, but we celebrate him, of course. And I say again, happy birthday. It's unfolding. Yes, the second person I get celebrating Ototo will follow the man who goes by the name Ocha Raymond. Yatago, he was born October 14th, 1978 in Dallas. He's an American singer, songwriter, dancer, actor. Talk about back-to-back hits. Yotago, this is the musician you will talk about. And I'm talking about him right about Ketafu because we are celebrating him. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketafu. Yes, today is also the birthday of Roger Moore. He was born October 14th, 1927 in Stockwell. He is a British actor. I see again in Ototua. Happy birthday. Yes, of course, get involved. Let's send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. We name a number of the person you want to celebrate. It is celebration galore up in here. Ketafo. Let go. Yes, today is also the birthday of James II of England, born October 14th, 1633 in London. He was the King of England, Scotland, and Ireland. Aina si again no totua. Happy birthday. Yes, oi hobo. Yes, the next person I actually celebrating no Toto Abone now watch ESPN, you know exactly who I'm talking about. He goes by the name Stephen A. Smith, born October 14th, 1967 in New York City. He is an American sports journalist. And I say again no Toto. Happy birthday. It is unfolding. Yotago. And of course, Yotago, not Osoko Osokan Nekumakia. You know that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Let's celebrate your Kitafo. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. That is 08065796599. Today is also the birthday of the man who goes by the name Mobutu Sese Seko. He was born October 14th, 1930. He was the president of Zaire. So I ask when again for happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. The next person I celebrated this morning, Webulu Stacy Kebler. She is, American wrestler and dancer, actress also. She was born October 14th, 1979 in Baltimore. And I say again in Ototua, happy birthday. Yapago. Yes, I am Atawago Naija Kitafo. I celebrating Dike celebrating Naija this morning. Makenwaga Sindike celebrated that being a significant day, the 14th day of October 2024. Yes, kind of about Toyota and I go on and keep as well. In the news today, Fugoduna, former president of America, Donald Trump. Then we another attempt on his life again. Yeah, like this will be the third time. Yota gonna actually ima kaya isimet apa to yabu okay. Man, that thing, it's not proper. Yes, somebody when I reflect, when I wanna, near chopota. Now since Donald Trump exposed the American tax system, that's when he became a superstar in American politics. Maka bịalụ ka debate on presidential debate all of a sudden oji nwa ya pịaela onye nya na ya na-eme debate si ya ide akwụ tax dị mmụ adị m akwụkwọ ụsọ m yọtago ka o si adị ehe disclose ka ya bụ ife si aga yọtago ehe kọwasịa ya bụ ife si na ya ga-akwụsị ihe niile anọ ya ma ọ bụrụkwa na president and that's why he won. And then inezi anya fụ na a lot is happening ihe mekwuzi eji achụ ya mbịaka nke ikpeazụ a bụ na ọ na-eme onye chọọ idozi ife ị na-anya ịfụ na mmadụ na-achị onye na-achọ ka o dozie ife nya ndị nze yọtago ehe ịma na asị na obodo adịrọ mma bụ uru ndị nze nya ndị nze afọ yọtago ehe mee na ọdịrọ mma ehe a na-achụ ya mbịaka and I think nọ ndị nze na-achụgharị this man now. A lot is happening yọtago mana kịta afọ anyị abatago Naija ka anyị celebrate ndị ike de celebrate this morning yọtago.
No text found at that location.
Akụkọ otikpọjụ. Yes, Kai Bata Naija kita for the first person they celebrated today were Bolo Ahmed Musa, captain Nigeria. It was on a very good day. Super Eagles, and we're talking about him. He was born October 14th, 1992 in Jos. He's a Nigerian footballer. And I say again this morning, happy birthday. Yes, we celebrate him. A kind-hearted young man. Now, Messi, even in the pitch and off the pitch. Otebe aka anyị nụrụ ka akụkọ ka o si wee Jos kwụọ ụgwọ na filling station ndị mmadụ na-agbalụ free fuel yọtago those are the things anyị na-celebrate ya for onye nwe human heart. Today is also the birthday of someone who made a trend back in the days. Talk to the hands. This is one of them. Onye Melia Oji were very popular. Omegidifa Wejoku basketball to see talk to the hands. Basketball to face Yaki, see hand. Wait at the top. You say Akoko Otipoju. The person we are celebrating right now goes by the name. She goes by the name Dakore Akande, born October 14th, 1978 in Bayelsa State. She is a Nigerian actress. And I say again this morning, happy birthday. Yes, so talk was at the Kitafo. Today is also the birthday of Olani Afonja, born October 14th, 1974 in Oyo State. He is a Nigerian film actor. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, Otuako say adeketa. Today is also the birthday of Abia State-born Olu Ogide, born October 14, 1964 in Aba. He is American artist. Yotago. So I celebrate him and I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Today is also the birthday of Kalo Edekakalo, born October 14, 1939 in Abia State. And I say again in Ototua, happy birthday. And we are getting to the spot. Yatago. Today is also the birthday of Abubakar Sadiq Muhammad, born October 14, 1961, Nigerian politician. And I say again in Ototua, happy birthday. Yes, we are getting to the spot. Right now, Ketafo, Omoloyo Kuloku, where Sena Epo Galanyo Bonanabo all the time on Nayana. Nagichi Kiof Manu, Paikobolo from Alumiko, Swepatego. The Oblo Belefe is unfolding Ketafo. Akụkọ otikpoju. Now, as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, nke digodo mbara guaranteed, let's get ready to rumble. Yes, Akoko Otikboju. We have a lot of things to talk about, as this sport is the sport where you get involved, and tell us what you think of all of this. A lot that is going on around us, in the social space. Right about it, folk. I Mother when I go on in of monkey bazo. And then Eleni Adage is gonna smile Eleni these days. And at those days, you have to go like couple of months before Mupenina where maybe Kusia monkey bazo. Before there was, that statement, subsidy is gone. Before that statement was made, na ndị na-elegasị nni na-eji smile ele nni mana nke ikpeazụ a na nna na nya ụmụada ọzọ inekwu anya efu na at a time na ya na-ajụzi ka o si na akwara anụ ọdịzikwa na ofe akwụ ahụ because na nke ikpeazụ a yọtago without meat is accepted n'ikpeazụ a lot is going on. We have a lot of things to talk about. Yọtago akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabatagodo n'ụtụtụ a ka o si adị yọtago so that we begin to spot the imperialism n'oge ka iwe nwee ike wee batagwa anyị filo ka o si adị nke ikpeazụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara the man that goes by the name Ikechukwu. In case you don't know who we are talking about, back in the days, they call me Ikechukwu. One comedian when I say no be one day, Ikechukwu put on a TV and they call me Ikechukwu. On a check I'm always half a hearing this Saturday. Ikechukwu will be go rap name the entire thing. Ikechukwu enter your house. You attack Ikechukwu, jump your bed and make Ikechukwu get the hell out of here. Obolo Belefe. Yes, Ikechukwu is celebrating today. He is celebrating. He just clocked 50. Mana, if you pictures, oh, will easy go. 25 years. That's how good some people can become. No, the popular Nigerian rapper Ikechukwu or no Nako. He is an actor. He turned a year and he celebrated. And in his celebration, he said, "Yes, people, this is what 50 looks like." And he's, very proud of how he, like his physique, the way he looks. Or when I show go on social media, he went viral. Everybody, the 50 years now, the way he looks so young. And then he said, "I just want to be bare and honest, blatant, because I have seen in this life the experience, the trials, the tribulations, the learning moments, the wins, the noise, the chaos, the serenity, the tranquility, highs and lows, and the in-between, the loves, the loving, the living, the misunderstanding." If we are DMX, my mother, my father, now he continues and says the flights, the makeups, the epiphanies, the moment of clarity, the moment of new creations, being bettered in sparks of ideas, leading me down paths of the unknown, and finally arriving at fruition. In all, he's just saying thank you to everyone, even thank you to everyone who forgave him, who loved him, who protected him, everyone, gonna say thank you to. And I guess he understands that, sometimes you also have to say thank you to your haters. Say, thank you for hating me so much that I had to become so good. And at the end, or when I say thank you, Father, I say all and all, the fact that me I didn't know for 50 years. All the one easy. I know go to Bagam account. When they celebrated with him, because they celebrated with him, mother, delegate on a very good day. Yes, that's the way we do it right here. And right about Ketapo, we expect you to send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. Name a number of the person you want to celebrate. And it is celebration gallop in here, Ketapo. Yotago. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ a young man pụta wee na-akụsu followers of a popular man of God na Anambra State a wee na-asịfa kedu ka o si adịla ụnụ on a very good day. This entire thing started this way. Enwere a man who goes by the name Onyeze Jesus, a well-known prophet in Anambra State aya. And a couple of weeks back, we heard stories that he was kidnapped until now. And won't be anything amiable about it. The fact that Nandi kidnapped Poliakan is seeking for ransom. So this young man, where Mapota Western Dokia, Kedefo name, just 200 million. Kona man raising follower, only Neso, your leader, Hosiade on a very good day. Now, this is how it went down. A man has publicly criticized the followers of Onyeze Jesus, a well-known prophet from Anambra State, for their failure to raise the 200 million naira ransom required to secure his release. The prophet, whose real name is Onyeze Jesus Chukwuemeka, was abducted on September 4, 2024, and his family has since been struggling to gather the necessary funds to meet the kidnappers' demand. So the critic is telling them that he is disappointed in them, in the fact that now his congregation has ever on a very good day. So how come that you people could not meet up to pay this ransom? Okay, where release the leader of your church. Now he said that he knows that these followers of this prophet benefit to go a lot from his teachings and his spiritual guidance for not stepping up to help in this time of crisis. The family, desperate for support, recently issued a plea to the public, revealing that they had been unable to raise a substantial amount for the ransom. The man, who is criticizing them now, Otu OCD, they expect that in this time of crisis, that the family, somebody somewhere will step up and help out. Most especially from his congregation. Yes, on the viral post, some of the comments no somewhere. Now, saying if any of more a very good day, because then all of a sudden somebody who is also involved in the matter, waking on one side and I wonder why you raise enough money, or they can on just be concerned about the prophet. Man, somehow on a very good day. So a lot is happening. Ịbata n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa ife ilo na ya bụ akụkọ ka o si ahụ fod kịta kedu ka ifu n'ime ya kedu ka esi wee meghe dị n'ime this matter. We're talking about someone's life here, that's very important. We must pay attention to it and then offer solution. A lot is going on. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara a man yotogo ya na girlfriend ya nọ na-emekọsị nnọọ things na-aga yotago na-take very good care of the girl. But all of a sudden, the woman will secure a job because now, the girl nọ on a very good day and well before. Now when they take very good care of her. But all of a sudden, the woman secure a job. And this job was secure. When I cover, that woman they make, a lot of money. A man take time or cut the man because of the job was secure. Man, this man plans, plans and all got this lady by November. On a plan of the traditional wedding for November. And but kita for all good woman, Jebelon can Jebelon or if any men keep as well. Yes, now for the woman in tears, no, why? Why are you doing this? Or in the world where I come from? na ọ da maka nwaanyị jide ego karịa nwoke na ọ ihe dị mgbe a na-agbadebe ya yọtago okwu elu ukwu a na ọsị ya ịkago m jide ego na onwere ihe ọzọ they just gabela onwe gị. Now this is how it unfold, the entire thing unfolded. Like a Nigerian woman engagement has been called off after her fiancé expressed discomfort with her newly secured job, which came with a significantly higher salary than his. The couple, who had been planning their traditional wedding for November, are now going their separate ways. Yes, a friend to the lady be here, that posted this on social media, and a lot of people were puzzled by it. Now, just before in the post shared by Stabebe, she, the friend, recounted that the emotional turmoil. My friend got engaged in May, and their traditional wedding was meant to be in November. Yesterday, she called me in tears to tell me the engagement had been called off. She got a new job last month with a salary of so huge that she would earn 3 times more than her fiance. He was uncomfortable and asked her to reject the offer, saying she wouldn't respect him if she made that much. Despite efforts to convince him otherwise, he insisted, and the engagement was called off. So ebe the man now gbadogodo aka one bugodo now na aga enwebegodo disrespect na man nwazi a man is humble towards him na ọ ga na-afụzi as this man ka ihe feel ego one ka ị nwekwa na akaụntụ gị sef. Yes, some Kiani and Ofodo Bobos, fronted the man, like they confronted him, asking him, why would you do such a thing? The man said, yeah, but also some care respect. Now, even the issue of, agorism, now they agree they do everywhere. And in the process, now I'm anything. So the question here is, on order possible that a woman can earn more and then respect the husband still? Or the possible? Not gonna earn more than the husband, but yet near respect to the husband. Ihe niile melke we convince this man ka wee change your mind ya or kwetelo ọ na-akọwa na ya afụ gị ha afụkwu ya so na nwere ihe mmadụ ga-agwa ya ya mana otu aka ike niile ga-esi weta ọmụzi out na ọ ka mma na ọ jebela onwe ya nya nwee jebela onwe ya. Do you believe n'otu aka o si dị ịbata this morning itile anya nọ n'okwu kedu ihe ilo na ya bụ mata? It's unfolding kịta afọ akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a yatago wee bụrụ akụkọ where a woman na-akọwa na ya like ka anyị si wee drift away from our culture as Igbo people. Na-akọwa na Africa na-esizi from their culture na-apụ na-eme ihe ọzọ na-abụrụ ihe ha kwesịrị na-eme. Asị nne like gịnị ka ị na-akọwa kịta afọ? Ị na-akọwa na gịnị mee? Kedu ife bụ culture aha anyị lapụ? Ọ sị na anyị je na-eme DNA test na DNA test ọ bụ culture ndị Igbo. Kedu ka ị esi na-eme DNA test? Also that in African culture, na nwaanyị mụta nwa na bedie na ọdị enwede nwa na onwere ihe ọzọ a na-ekwu na enwere ihe gbasara DNA dị na the matter. Nye ka ihe niile asị wee mee yotago the young woman pụtara na social media basically Facebook ka ọ nọ post ya bụ ife wee na-ekwu when I say that she stated that DNA testing is not traditionally a part of her culture, emphasizing that any child born to a married woman is automatically considered the husband's child regardless of biological paternity. She shared this view in response to a Facebook post by another person where said that she advocated for compulsory DNA tests in hospitals. Onye nke a nwaanyị ọzọ post na Facebook wee na-akọwa na-asị na ya chọrọ ka a na-eme DNA test in hospitals. Ona said that suggestion came after her friend discovered that he was not the biological father of his 3 children. Nyaka the woman was biological. Why can't he be a father to those kids at the end of the day? Yes, another lady came out, explaining that in her village, children born to a woman are regarded as belonging to the man who paid her bride price. She also dismissed the necessity of DNA testing, calling it baseless. Anyway, a lot of people comment even because not on social media and one of them when I say if you go in if you kiss in that pop on get on your na feed mother able. If we in saka the culture in a culture nke na-ekwu maka efe a kịta afa amalọ. And personally, some of them comment na akọwakwana even na back in the days in African culture na ndị Igbo nwekwa ways fa ji ama na nwa amụta nọ nkefa ka ọ na ọ bụrụ nkefa. So ị na-ekwu na DNA, iji eme DNA test na ọ bụrụ our culture na asị na ndị be anyị nwere traditional ways fa ji wee mekwa back in the days wee mmalụ na nwa amụtalụ ha ọnụ ha nwa nwekwa. A lot is happening. Kedu ihe nwere ekwu n'ihe niile a is unfolding kịta afọ. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a yọtagochagolo onye ọbụla ndị mmadụ na-ajụzi ese kedu ife na-eme ọ wee bụrụ na enwere emanụchila akwa ya wee chigalụ dry cleaner, that is the laundry man, ka ọ sụchasịa akwa ya ka o si adị ode very good day. Mana otu izie Facebook na-enesikwa anya fụ the laundry man ka o yi akwa ya na girlfriend ya na hang out somewhere, the team na-ekogodo the man ọ na-asị ọ na ọ bụrụ cheta ka nchi this man ka ọ sọrọ m kezi ka this my chat na-eme na Facebook biko. Yes, in Canada, calling it na Lagos come. A Lagos man has expressed his disbelief and frustration after discovering that his laundry service provider wore one of his shirts in a photo shared on WhatsApp with his girlfriend. The incident was revealed by the man known on social media. He took to his X page and then began to analyze the situation. The man was shocked. He revealed, that he came. His wife was the person that spotted the thing on Facebook and now showed him. In his emotional post, he lamented, "Why are people like this? My wife just caught our laundry guy wearing my new shirt on his WhatsApp status, standing next to his girl. This is someone we have been using for about 4 years now. Only God knows how long I've been, he's been doing this for a long time." Mana am going to keep any on a very good day. On social media, the first person comment is my friend Yalapu, this man I can call on a very good day. This man. But at the end of the day, somewhere or the proper, is a professional now. He actually a laundry man. All of a sudden, if somewhere else, a lot is happening. It is unfolding. Yes, we are getting to the spot where we need to hear from you, but right about it, how come can the US actually here? When we where better where feel so that he better where spot where the imperialism goes. I go to know to where bola bastalo a Nigerian man yellow or young one on Eliana. You have to go as birthday gift. We go see goes when you banner everything. You have to go every even a boy young one you now could beacon. You have to go beacon ATC in Adiana with the Alcoana. Go see on social media and don't make a good. Now, so any Gianna and a birthday gift. Now, this is how it went down. A Nigerian man has generated significant buzz on social media after surprising his girlfriend with an extraordinary birthday gift, a plot of land. The touching gesture was unveiled by the girlfriend in a TikTok video that captured the surprise moment. In the video, the boyfriend blindfolded his girlfriend as they made their way to the property, keeping the destination under wraps. Upon their arrival, he removed the blindfold, revealing a document believed to be the deed to the land. The document was accompanied by a heartfelt message from the boyfriend, which read, "Congratulations, my love. Inside this envelope is the receipt for one plot of land purchased in your name as a birthday gift." Yes, ka ihe niile a na-eme ịma ngo nke o si adị na Naija on social media. Ndị mmadụ na-epost kwa a lot of people, bido kwugbo okwu, na-etinye ọnụ na the matter. One man si otu akịta onye a si na-enye onye a na-enwekwa ike ọ bụ na agụụ na-agụ ma mịa na village n'ọsọ chukwu mazi. Anyway, ọ dịgo ka o esi dị ịbata n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa ya ifilo n'ihe niile aka osi ahụ mfodoro right about akịta afọ, because it's about time for you to get involved and tell us what you think of all of this. Bechagodum na po taketa po na 08065796599.